Okay, so we've brought this up to a 45 micron edge. Again, this is a CPM M4 steel in a Spyderco Mannix 2 blade, and we're sharpening the knife and reestablishing the bevel at a 7-degree angle per side. So I'm going to sprinkle a little water on here, and again, this is the 30 micron surface. 30 microns is approximately a 2000 grit finish. Okay, do that to protect the lens. And so here's the initial finish. Again, this will slice cut nicely. It's still a pretty toothy sort of finish. Will improve the finish a bit here, but at this point, doing things like taking a roll of paper, towel, and rolling it up and slicing it, cuts it very aggressively. If you want a toothy edge, this might be a fine point to stop at, but if you want something a little more refined, well, here we go. Okay, in slow motion. Okay, and you'll see I rotate the angle of the knife, and you can see the swarf already forming just from a few strokes. And I'll pick up the speed a little bit and refine this edge. I'll let you listen to it as we go. And so you can hear the increased smoothness as we progress with this 30 micron surface. Sound is a lot lower, less abrasive, coarse sounding, becoming smoother. And you'll notice that I'm aggressively both edge leading and edge trailing strokes. At this level, I have essentially no concern that I'm going to be cutting into the film. The film is quite sturdy. Okay, and so now let's take a look at that side. And so that's approximately what it looks like, and I'll rinse the swarf off on that side. And here we have what's beginning to look like a pretty respectable edge. You're starting to see the beginnings of a reflective surface or mirror finish along the length of the knife. Freehand sharpening, fairly consistent bevel. You can see the surface. I can work this a little bit more and get a little bit more out of this 30 micron surface, and then we'll proceed on to the next level. Thank you very much.